welcome to my channel. I'm Brianna, and today we are going to set a timer and see how much we can get clean today. I'm doing about 60 minutes and I'm starting with the dishes, so let's go. So first I'm unloading the dishwasher. I think this task took me about 5 minutes tops, and loading the dishwasher took me about 15 minutes. So I'm someone who likes to watch cleaning videos on YouTube. I find them really relaxing to watch, and I find them really motivational. But sometimes it seems like they can be a little unrealistic, and sometimes they do make me feel a little bad or a little guilty that my home does not ever look perfect or pristine or Pinterest worthy or YouTube worthy. So I'm making this video as just a reminder that it's okay that your home does not look perfectly clean, as long as you've done something to make it better. So that's the aim of this task today, is to not make it perfect, but make it better. So as you can see, I'm cleaning off the countertops. I'm really just straightening up the dishes. As you can see, there's a few things on the bar. I didn't even touch them because I'm just gonna have to go through my hot spots another day. But right now I'm getting everything off of the main areas that I used to cook and I used to prepare food, and I'm picking stuff up off the floor. And I don't know if anyone else is like this, but after I'm done with the dishes, the first thing I like to do is I like to clear off the table, and I like to wipe that down before I wipe off my counters. I just feel like if I've prepped like meat or something, it just makes it a lot more sanitary to have the surface, or to start with the surface that my children eat on first before I move on to the kitchen. The spray I'm using I forget what it's called. I'll leave it in the description below, but I got it from the company that installed my water softener system, and it's supposed to be clean ingredients. So I have a little bit of a peace of mind when my kids touch it or something. But yeah, I'm just wiping down the table. The wall behind the table is filthy. I don't even know where to begin. There's like caked on stuff to it. I'm gonna have to one day just scrub all of my walls in my house. But yeah, like I said before, I started with the table, and it's gonna go through and wipe down the countertops. So this is how the kitchen is looking. It's not perfect, but it's decent enough for me. And I still had about 25 minutes left, so I was gonna go ahead and go onto the living room. I did have distractions along the way, just FYI. So back to the unrealistic part of the average cleaning video. I feel like a lot of the videos that I watch, everyone is cleaning all day or multiple days in a row, or for hours and hours. I know that when I used to first make cleaning videos, I used to clean for hours during the day I would film, and it was tiring, it was exhausting. I was not happy. I didn't spend any time with my family that day, and so my goal for this year is to just prioritize doing things that I enjoy, and prioritize my family, spending time with my kids and my husband, and I don't want to spend all day cleaning. So what I intend to do is just every time I know I need to clean every day. I just want to set a timer. I want an hour max. I want to see what I can get done. And if you guys want to join me, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. If you do decide to try it out, let me know down in the description box what all you were able to get done within your hour. I know some people's homes are cleaner than mine, so maybe you can get more done, and hopefully one day I do plan to get a lot more done within the hour. But for now, I just started with the basics, just dishes, picking stuff up off the floors and the main areas, wiping down the tables, and sweeping under the table, and wiping off the counters as well. So next, I'm just gonna get the broom and I'm gonna sweep the rug up. I don't know if anybody else does this. I just didn't feel like grabbing the vacuum. It's very bulky and heavy, and sometimes I just prefer to grab the lighter instrument. And I think it works well enough for what I'm trying to accomplish. I do vacuum the rug though. I'm not doing it right now. So at this point, I had about 8 minutes left. I decided I would try to use this Bissell Crosswave. I don't know how I feel about this right now. I've had it for about, I don't know, maybe 2 months now, maybe a little less time than that, and I'm not too impressed. Maybe it's just because I have a lot of caked on stuff on my floor. I need to mop, but it does a good job at making your floor feel squeaky clean, and I guess it picks some stuff up, but it's not good with stuff that's even lightly dried on the floor. It doesn't pick stuff up that well. I think I would prefer to use just my regular mop, or my regular cedar push mop or something. So since I got really tired of trying to get that to do what I wanted it to, so I just decided to go ahead and sweep under the floor. Not under the floor, I sweep under the table, because I was already running out of time. And yeah, after I swept, I had 1 minute left. So that's it. This is my home. It is better than it was when we started, and I felt better when I was done. And I know that tomorrow I will be happy when I walk into my kitchen, because it's not a huge monstrosity. But yeah, thank you for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye.